Greetings from the Bronx Sky Farm at Hallows High School, where we begin planting another year in our 114-year legacy. As the new Director of Admissions of All Hallows, I welcome you to join us on this journey as we usher in a new era in our already rich history and tradition. A graduate of All Hallows High School, I have made many fond memories from receiving my high school acceptance letter to attending my first social mixer, and finally obtaining my high school diploma on the steps of St. Patrick's Cathedral. My time at All Hallows was filled with so many cherished memories. What a pleasure it was to interview Tom Brokaw of NBC News as the anchor of the All Hallows television network, have the opportunity to attend school with my younger brother, and walk the hallways and classrooms with so many of my All Hallows brothers. The experience was certainly one that I won't soon forget, and it laid down a legacy in my family that continues to this day. In addition to both my brothers attending All Hallows, with our nephew following years later, I came back to my alma mater, closing out 18 great years in the classroom as the computer science teacher, 1 year as the communications chair, and now taking up my new post as the Director of Admissions. I am so excited to work with families and prospective students to open a pathway for a new generation of young men to experience what I experienced when I walked our hallowed halls. We have an exciting year in store for you as we kick off our shadow days, where prospective students get in the driver's seat of what an All Hallows Catholic education looks like, engage with the neighborhood in our first community street fair, and what a week it has been with the Hallows wrapping up their first show on their middle school tour, celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. What we are most excited about is inviting you to our annual open house happening October 14th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. We will be featuring live music, a live batting cage, and not to mention a few other surprises. You do not want to miss what we have in store for you. So join us on October 14th from 11 to 3 p.m. Scan the QR code to schedule a time slot, as presentations will start promptly at the designated times. All Hallows is small, All Hallows is safe, but most of all, we are successful. What we do well, and we are committed to getting better at getting better. I can't wait to see families come out for an open house that I think you won't soon forget. See you then.